Hey guys, it's me, Brandon. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but so I'm playing Jurassic World the game, and I just unlocked this, the Darkest Pack, by completing 3 things. So I'm about to open it with you guys. So 100 money, 200. That's really good. 260 like DNA, and the super rare Dingosaurus. Thought that'd be in it, right? Because it's the what it says. So it's unlocked now. So if we go here, get a dino. Oh, one second, sorry. If we go here, get dino. In here, hatch. Use that. Finish it. Boom. We have the I have the Dingosaurus. And that's in there. My other one. And I'm going to quickly feed it up to level 10. And then, yeah. Level 10. Yeah. Remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.